Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix audio not working on Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to multiplayer or your world, and then you need to go to settings, then options, then music and sounds, and make sure that master volume is not on mute, and also music and others. Make sure that everything is not on mute. And then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to options. Then you need to go to resource packs and select your resource packs here and press done. Right, and then you need to look if you have sound or not, and if the problem persists, then you need to in the same time press F3 and T, and then after that it will basically restart your resource packs, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to close the game. Then you need to press Windows Sanaki, or simply on search you just need to write run. And then here you need to write %, app data, %, press OK. Then you need to go to .minecraft folder here, go to versions and delete all the versions here, and then go to the Minecraft and reinstall it. Right, and the problem should be fixed, and don't worry, your worlds will be safe, your saves will be here, and it won't be deleted. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.